Hi everyone, welcome back to another review video. Today I will be reviewing Sides of Creativity, which is a Canadian slime shop on Etsy. All my slimes came bubble wrapped and the package was nicely secured so nothing leaked or cracked. I ordered a total of 6 slimes and she kindly included an extra slime. I bought all these slimes during a sale, so my total came to $100 for all 6 slimes. To start off, the first slime is called Galaxy Nights. This is a beautiful purple clear slime that has a blue pigment shift. It came with some yellow moon and star foam pieces that added such a cute touch. This slime is in an 8-ounce container and it is scented as blueberries. And I was actually really surprised when I found out this was scented because I just assumed this clear slime would be unscented to preserve the clarity. However, the blueberry scent smells really good. It smells more like a realistic sweet blueberry scent instead of an artificial blueberry scent. I really love the texture of this slime. It isn't the stretchiest, but it makes amazing clicks. It's very glossy and I love the bubble pops. However, this slime does leave some clear glue residue or chunks on my hands. This slime inflated so much. I'll show the inflation at the end. Also, I do want to mention that the clear label for this slime is slime proof. However, the logo sticker on the top of all these containers are not slime proof. Next, Spaghetti DIY Clay has a nice sleigh base that comes in a 4.5-ounce container. This DIY clay set came with a really nicely molded spaghetti noodle clay, and then it also came with a packet of red sauce for the spaghetti, which is a sleigh slime. And then lastly, it came with some herbs to add and decorate. After I assembled the slime, it looked exactly like the listing and it was just so realistic. The resulting slime is an orange clay slime that is so inflatable, and once inflated, it gives off the best sizzles and it is just so soft and fun to play with. The ending texture was really stretchy and there wasn't any tackiness when inflated. There was a little bit of a wet residue to this slime, but I didn't really mind because it goes away as soon as I mix it. It is scented as orange creamsicle and peach cream, which smells so good, and it's almost like I can smell the scent separately, but together they also smell amazing. Overall, I really recommend her DIY clay sets. They look exactly like the listing. Sunset Geode is a bingsu bead slime that has a clear base, and it came with some iridescent heart glitters as well as some flower sprinkles. This slime came in a 6-ounce container and it wasn't filled to the top. However, this was the only slime that wasn't filled to the top, so I think it's just because it deflated due to the bubbles. Her label for this one is not slime proof because these ones are the white ones, like her logo sticker, which is also not slime proof. However, the label stickers that are clear are slime proof. This slime had a great slime to bead ratio, so there wasn't any ripping when I was stretching it. The colors were really fun to mix in, and after mixing it turned into a nice like coral pink color. This also inflated so much, and even when inflated I didn't notice any tackiness or any ripping. This slime is scented as pink lemonade and it smells so good. It just reminds me of fresh lemonade on a summer day. This next slime is pineapple cream soda. It is in an 8-ounce size that comes with a 2-ounce jelly cube slime to represent the pineapple, and then also a cute little leaf. This slime was so simple to assemble, yet there's something about this slime that makes it so appealing. I had no problem stretching the slime, and it was really fun and easy to mix in. And after mixing, the slime turned into an off-white color that had a little bit of yellow tint. And with the jelly cubes in the slime, which they were so fun to squeeze, they looked exactly like pineapple chunks. This slime turned into such an inflatable sleigh slime. It inflated by so much, and it only got a tiny bit tacky, which I had no problem with. And if you don't like the tackiness, you can easily fix it by applying a little bit of activator onto your hands. Again, this slime label is super cute, but it isn't slime proof, which doesn't bother me. It is scented as pineapple. This is such a realistic scent. I'm usually not a fan of pineapples, except this scent smells so good. And it's not like an artificial soda scent. It smells like real pineapples with a hint of sour. Pistachio-Nut is a DIY clay slime that I believe is based on some kind of dessert. What I love about her shop though is that in the description of each slime when you're purchasing it, you can read about how she got inspired to make that slime and what it's supposed to represent. This slime came with a 4.5 ounce of Slay slime as a base. It is in a container that has a screw lid that is clear, and the label is slime proof because it's those clear labels again. It comes with a clay piece that looks really realistic, as well as a packet of green icing and white icing, and then a packet of chocolate sprinkles as well as some gold leaf. This slime also has a little bit of wet residue just like the spaghetti DIY, except it goes away after mixing, so there's no problem there. This DIY clay set is scented as pistachio macaron, which smells really good, just like a dessert. Unfortunately, the clay piece was completely dried out, so I had a little bit of trouble combining the slime. The clay piece ended up turning into like large foam beads in the slime, so I let the slime sit for a couple of days and then I added some glycerin to soften it up. And the texture after that wasn't the sizzliest because it was a little bit dry still. However, it made amazing bubble pops and crackles. Even after softening though, I could still feel that it was a little bit dry from the clay. Overall, I really love the slime. I love the idea and it was so cute to assemble. I just wish the clay piece didn't dry out. The last slime I purchased is Lemon Marmalade, which is a thick jelly slime. You can feel the little pieces of snow in there. This slime is part of her jam collection, and she has many types of these jam slimes. This slime came in a sturdy 6-ounce container, and again it had a really cute label, but unfortunately it wasn't slime proof, which I personally don't mind at all. The add-ins for this slime were some lemon Fimo slices, which already came in the slime, but also some to sprinkle on myself, and a leaf stem. This slime is very stretchy considering how thick it is, and it is so inflatable. You'll see later on, the inflation is so crazy, and I can inflate it so much. It was really sizzly and crackly after I inflated it, and I just love the ASMR on this one. The scent is a really amazing lemon scent. It smells sour but also sweet at the same time, so it is really great, and I personally really enjoy it. This last slime is an extra slime that she gave me, so thank you so much, Tina. I'm pretty sure this is a 4-ounce slime, which is really great for an extra, and it is a full foam that is really packed and has crunchy ASMR. It is scented really sweet. I think it might be cotton candy, but since it's an extra, I'm not really sure. Either way, I really enjoyed this slime, and I'm so grateful for getting this wonderful extra. Here are all the extras that came in my package. She gave me so many extras. 2 packs of foam beads, 1 large pack of white foam beads, and then a bunch of candy, her borax, her business card, and a slime care sheet. So overall, my slimes all came nicely packaged and bubble wrapped, so nothing leaked, and I really enjoyed my package. I love her scents, and I love her textures and everything. I would describe her slimes mostly as inflatable, and I really love them. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this review, please like and subscribe for more videos. Bye!